Welcome back to the Talkative Anjali channel. I have rough cut up onions and green chilies, and I have Barik methi over here. So I'm going to show you moong dal with Barik methi. The moong dal I need to soak, so let me just go back. I have put a pot on the gas and I'm going to add some coconut oil into it. Now in the coconut oil I'm going to add the onion and the chilies. The onion is nice and translucent. Now we will add the Barik methi to it, which I have chopped up. After stirring it a little bit, we can add the moong dal to it. That's the moong dal. I washed it and left it to soak for 10 minutes. I have stir fried the methi along with the onions and it is partially cooked. Now I'm adding the moong dal to it. This bhaaji is made dry, so you should not add water to it. It has to cook in its own juices. We will let this cook. I'm making this bhaaji only in turmeric, not adding our pori masala to it. It's just green chilies and turmeric. Yeah, sometimes we Kori people make it like this too. When you have lots of green chilies, it's a green bhaaji, so I'm going to let it cook like this for a few minutes. So we are checking the moong dal. It has to become fluffy and we have to cook until dry. Check on the bhaaji. So it looks all nicely done. Green color has nicely come out, and we are going to cover this up and keep it so that the moong dal gets fluffed nicely. The lid is on, gas is switched off, and we will let it sit.